My 2022 housing prediction. That's right. What can you do as a property investor right now to capitalize on what's going on? So if you've seen the news, it's obvious. We're going into dark times right now. There's a lot of disruption, okay? And I don't need to even take you through it because I know you've seen it. But the biggest take home, the biggest thing I think as property investors, people that are buying houses, is that for the last few years, the property market's been soaring up. And because there's been a lot of retail, in other words, families, first-time buyers, buying property, they've been paying over the odds, which means there's not been many below market value deals for us investors to buy. Well, look, due to the huge spike in the cost of living, I predict less and less families, less and less retail are going to be able to buy houses, okay? Which is going to drive the prices down, which means that we're going to be able to pick up deals, and then the same families that now can't afford to buy are going to need to rent. So it's a huge opportunity right now to get your bags ready, get your stacks ready, and get ready to buy. Because I do expect there to be a huge correction where we can buy houses up. Now, if you're buying at the moment while the prices are still high, that's okay. Just make sure that you're buying properties that you can add value to, whether that be through refurb, adding rooms, adding additional property on a site, okay? Or you need to make sure you're buying in an area where you're buying the worst house on the best street, so you've got comparables, you've got that window. And then what you want to do, or what we're doing, is we're locking into 5-year fixed mortgages, and then we'll look at it in 5 years once the market just can settle down a little. But that's what we're doing. That's my prediction, 2022. I'm posting it right now. And if I'm right, then comment below. If I'm wrong, comment below. Subscribe for weekly content, and I'll see you in the next video.